Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to link your bank account in Albert app. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $150. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. On this screen, you will see several icons at the bottom part. Tap on the account icon. On the account screen, you will see an option for linked accounts. Tap on linked accounts. At the bottom, you will see an option that says add account. Tap on add account. Now here, select the account type from which you would like to link Albert. Then here, choose the bank to sign in. Use the search bar and search for the bank you wish to link. Or you could just select from the options below. So Albert uses Plaid to connect your account. To proceed, tap on Continue. Next, to authenticate with your selected bank, tap on Continue. Now, you need to sign into your Chase account. If you have a Touch ID, you could use it to confirm your identity. Now, you will see some information on how to connect with Albert. After that, tap on Next. Also, read the information on what Albert app wants to know. After reading, tap on Next. Lastly, tap on the tick box to authorize all the accounts that can be shared with Albert. Then, tap on Connect My Account. That's how you link your bank account in Albert app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.